In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Set up your first section with Wix Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add your first section, pick the right starting point, and customize it so it reflects your style and goals. This is perfect if you're just getting started or if you want a quick refresher on the basics. Once you're in the Wix Studio editor, look to the top left and click the plus icon. This opens the panel where you can add content to your page. From there, head straight to sections. Think of sections as the building blocks of your page, full-width areas that stack vertically and help organize your content into clear, visually consistent parts. Inside sections, you'll see design sections, also known as template sections, grouped into different categories. These are professionally designed layouts for common needs like introductions, services, galleries, and contact areas. Choose a category that fits your page's purpose, then pick a design that matches the structure you have in mind. Don't worry about the placeholder content. Everything is fully customizable, so focus on the layout and overall look. If you prefer total control, you can select blank to start from scratch. This is a great option when you already have a vision for your layout or want a unique look. Starting blank gives you a clean canvas without predefined elements, so you can build exactly what you need at your own pace. After you add your first section to the page, click directly on any element inside it to make it your own. Select text to change the copy, adjust fonts, sizes, and colors, and align it for better readability. Click images to replace them with your own visuals and fine-tune how they crop and scale. If there's a button, update its label and link. You can also modify backgrounds to suit your brand, whether that's a solid color, a gradient, an image, or a subtle pattern, so the section feels cohesive. You can add more elements to the section at any time to round out the content. Use the same plus icon to bring in items like additional text, images, icons, or dividers, and place them within the section to enhance the layout. Keep an eye on spacing and consistency as you go, so everything feels balanced and intentional. That's it. You've opened the Add panel, gone to Sections, chosen a design or a blank canvas, and customized the elements to make the section truly yours. With this foundation in place, you're ready to build out the rest of your page with confidence and clarity.